Welcome back to Mobility Solutions for today's ride-on test of the all-new Victory Platinum.
Hey, I'm Chris with Mobility Solutions. Now it's time to take the Victory Platinum outside on its ride test. See how this turns real sharp? It's on a sensor, so you're really not going to probably turn it like this outside. You're going to turn it like this on the elevator or turn it like this in your house. It's not the best scooter for the house unless you have a large house. But when you're going real fast, watch, I'm going to go real fast and turn it. It slows it down. So if you don't want those sensors to really come into effect, you just want to take a little bit wider turns. You don't want to turn it as hard as you can because it's going to slow it down on purpose. Check this out, guys. Now, I don't suggest you doing this, but just showing you the versatility of this mobility scooter. And then you have some, well, I guess these humps. Perfect. A lot of bumps. I don't know if you can see this on camera. There's a lot of bumps around here. A little bit smoother path right here. And there's a lot of, you hear, I had the charger in there. I just picked up some trash, if you saw that. That's not from us. Really rides really good. Just whatever, another little hump. It just takes it. I mean, it's not a Wrangler or a Pursuit, but it's smaller to go more places and very dependable. Victory series has been around forever. So far I rode it around, it's riding really good. This isn't the ultimate outdoor scooter, and I don't think I'm gonna sell this to you as an ultimate outdoor scooter. I'm gonna sell it to you as a universal scooter, but I like to call it like the SUV of the mobility scooters. For the reason is, we're riding through some really tough stuff over here. It's not cut very low, it's some thick places, and you don't really see it. There's a lot of slumps and humps and dips and swells. I went through that briar bush that it went through it just fine. But the purpose of this scooter is you can use it outside in your yard, but it gives you the option to take it if you need to go places like the theme park, the fair. It also has that easy turn technology. So if you're living in a big resort type deal or independent living place and you have a lot of riding around, you'll like riding on this unit because of the easy turn technology, the full suspensions, and it's not an overly big scooter because you can get into wherever you need to go. It's a good size mobility scooter. Tires are fat, they're about 3.5 inches across and they're 10 inches at the front, 11 at the back. I keep referring to this as the Victory 10, but it's really not. It's the Victory Platinum. At first, I thought it was the Victory 10 Platinum series. It's in the Victory line, and it's definitely improved. I really like it. It says it goes about 6 miles per hour. I don't think I'm getting quite that speed out here. I will let you know that there's a sensor when you turn this sharp that it slows it down because of the easy turn, like the way that these wheels can turn sharp. They don't want you going full blast and turning it. That could be a problem. So there is a sensor that is slowing it down on certain turns when I'm moving this around, and sometimes it takes a little while for it to kick in to go. The other scooter that Pride came out with was the ZT10. A lot of people bought it because they needed something to turn real sharp, and Pride came out with the ZT9, the ZT10. I don't know if you've seen any of my videos of repairing the ZT10s, but there's a lot of stuff that can go wrong with that unit. I think this is a much better buy over the zero turn 10, which they're probably getting rid of, because on the zero turn 10, there's 2 modulars, There's 2 motors. There's a sensor that messes up all the time. So if you have a 0 turn 10, you're having issues and you're looking for a new scooter, check out this one. If you're new to a scooter, I think you're really gonna like this unit. It's nice. And again, I'm with the high back slider captain seat. You can buy this with a stadium seat. This seat's a heavier, and we're gonna show you how this disassembles to go in the back of your car, but don't buy this if you're gonna take this apart every day, because you're really not gonna like doing that. If you have a lift or like a hauler, like a carrier with a ramp that comes down, this would be fine. It's a great buy for that if you currently already have that. If you just want this scooter and you want a lift, we can do a scooter package deal for you with the lift from Harmar with this unit. So far, I really like this unit. This is critical for some people.
Okay, let's head back to the shop and show you how to load this up in a car.
I'm gonna show you how to load it. Now this is the captain seat, so it's pretty big, but you're just gonna pull this seat right off. They make a stadium seat to be a little bit lighter. Move the front basket. Now you don't want to buy this scooter if you're going to be doing this every day, because there's a lot of steps compared to like the Revo, the EX, or a fold-up mobility scooter. These are some extra steps you have to do, but let's say you're going somewhere once a month or once a week, at least you have the option to do this. Now you can buy telescoping ramps, and we'll load this in with a telescoping ramp. If you have a 0 turn 10, this is a lot easier to load. But these are the steps that you would do. So it allows you to disconnect it. But you also could, with the batteries removed, is use more of like a leverage type deal where you can get it here and roll it in if you're strong enough. But they did make this with the feather touch disassembly. That's as low as that's gonna go, which I wish that went a little bit lower. Now this is a small car. The seats are folded down, and I just don't want you to fall for, this is an easy scooter to travel with. It's easy, but you can see it's a lot of work, and I'm pretty strong. I wouldn't want to be going to Walmart, taking this out, putting it back in, and then go to another store. You really would like to have a lift if you buy this unit, but it's manageable to take apart when needed. That's what makes it like the SUV of the scooters. The other problem, if you need something pretty strong, check out the Revo. It's got the battery packs that you can take inside your house and charge separately. This one's not made to charge the batteries away from the unit. It's a great scooter. But this is about 50 something pounds. It might even be heavier. Check out the spec page. Actually, check out our spec video. We have a spec video that goes over the specifications for the Victory Platinum. We also have a really nice unboxing video to let you know what you have to do to unbox if you decide to unbox it yourself. And remember, we do offer white glove delivery where someone like me will bring it to you and take the boxes away. But saving money, usually all this stuff is pretty easy to put together. Yeah, you want to get these, see, make sure everything's in. If you plan on buying this to take it apart a bunch and you don't need the high back seat, get the stadium seat. It's much lighter. This seat's probably 40 pounds. If you're in need of a new scooter and you already have a Victory 10, Victory 9, buy the Platinum. I think you're gonna love it. If you got a gravel road, this is still slag. It'll be just fine. If you need a scooter for your warehouse, or you have a lot of tight turning, this easy turn technology that they have allows this thing to turn really sharp.
Yep, I say that's about as tight as a scooter can turn, especially one this size with 4 wheels.
Now, even though this has the easy turn technology, there's going to be spots. Oh, that's pretty nice. So all around, the scooter did really well for what I want it to do. Again, this isn't the ultimate outdoor mobility scooter, but it can handle grass, terrains. You can disassemble it and put in your car. It's comfortable, optional different seats, 400-pound weight capacity, easy charging right here with the magnet charger. It's a nice unit. Make sure you know what you're looking for. So if you have any questions, you can just give us a call at 803-926-2224. This might not be the scooter you're looking for. We have a whole bunch of different mobility scooters, power chairs, and a lot of different mobility products. Big shout out to Bruce. He just ordered him the brand new Will R4. I figured I'd throw him in on this video. He follows us on YouTube for a long time, and my videos are geared to being true reviews. I do like this unit. If you have a lift or a way to haul it, if you plan on going a lot of places. I don't like this unit if you're planning on buying it to disassemble it to put in the car a bunch. I don't think I like this unit if you think that you're gonna be able to use this inside your house, because how we talk about the tight turning, it is still a large scooter, but all around for what it does, the improvements they made to the Victory line with the suspensions, the easy turn, the feather touch, the magnetic charger, and it's made in the United States, I think you'll like it. Give this one a shot. Check it out, call us, or go visit your local Pride store and test it out. Thank you and have a great day.
Thanks for watching today's video, and don't forget,
If you're looking to finance something, we're offering 0% interest, 3, 6, up to 12 months on purchases, which is really cool. And it's very easy to do. So we offer it with Bread Pay.
and we have a full-length video on our channel on how to use it. Go check it out. Make sure to come back to our shop videos where we do full unboxings and much more. So like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.